When you got to California, what Jewish community did you find here?
The very first year that I was here, I arrived here in September 1949, and my first high holidays that came around, I found an ad in one of the newspapers of a synagogue that was having an open service that you could buy a ticket to. I think it was the Shrine Auditorium. I bought a ticket, and I went. I wanted to be there for the high holiday services. Boy, was I unhappy. I was so unhappy. I left very quickly. It was this massive hall, hundreds and hundreds of people, no sense of community whatsoever. Just people buying a ticket and walking in. The stage was dressed with lots of bouquets of flowers, which I'd never seen at a shul. And the very first thing that I remember was a fundraising pitch to help pay for something or other. I got up and walked out. I was so disillusioned. It didn't have that sense of smell, community, sensation, spirituality, none of it, none of it. I got up and walked out. And it wasn't until years later that I found my way back to a service that made sense to me. A shul, a place where there was a community, where some people who came together because they wanted to be together to worship together or learn something about each other or have some relationship or to carry on some rituals. This was a kind of a commercialization of the process, and I found it very unappealing, disheartening. Much, much later, I got in touch with some much more meaningful community.